Welcome to my channel. Today's video, let's talk about how you can get over 100,000 US dollars for health support. But please remember, it depends on the kind of health issue that you have, then it will determine how much they will give you. So let's assume you need $50,000 for health support. They will definitely raise $50,000 or even more than $50,000 sometimes. There are people there that they've given over $200,000. Some people have collected over $100,000. Some people have collected $50,000. Some have collected $20,000. So it depends on what you need. So in this video, I'm going to make it short how you can get this health support. Okay, it is genuine. You don't need to pay money for anything. You are not giving anybody any money for anything or any subscription or any sign-up fee. It is just for free. All you need is your valid email address and you are good to go. Now, like I said, I'm going to make this video short, so I'm going to go straight to the point. Now, one thing I love about this website is that 84% of the monthly visitors comes from the United Kingdom, while the second is US with about 3%. Now, you discover that US, United Kingdom, Canada, even citizens of this country, they are visiting this website, and it's a global website. They are seeking for help. But then, by the time you visit the website, you see for yourself how they have been helping a lot of people. And one important thing is that once they raise money for you, they will send the money directly to your bank account. So there is no need for you to worry. It's either you use a paper if you have PayPal account, or you have you need check, or you might even open Payoneer. So one of these, definitely the money will get to you. The company will pay it directly to your bank account. They are not charging you anything. Just go there, sign up, tell them your health issue, then watch how people will be donating money for you. All you need is just go there, be truthful to yourself, okay? Now, like I said before, if people in the United Kingdom, 84% of the people in the United Kingdom are visiting this website seeking for help or helping other people, then US, then Canada, then that tells you that really this website is helping a lot of people. This is the reason why, for anyone that have health issue and you don't have money, finance for your treatments, okay? Because health is life. You need to take proper care of yourself. You need to take proper treatment. You need to treat yourself very well. And some people are having this issue of finance, okay? Getting the proper treatment. This is where this company comes in to assist you. A lot of people are out there looking for people to save life. So a lot of people who have been donating money that, look, I want to donate $1 million for health globally. These are the companies that they visit. These are the companies that they want to see people, that they can help people, they can save lives. So this is the reason why, if you have health issue or you know anyone that have health issue and need finance, definitely this video is for you. You can also share this video to that person, then the person will definitely sign up. Now, the website, like I said, if I'm not going to waste time, is justgiving.com. Now, justgiving.com, in the past 3 months, over 15 million people have actually visited Just Giving, which means every month more than 5 million monthly visitors visit Just Giving. Okay, now for me, I love Just Giving for the fact that it's a global website. They are not even charging you. All you need is sign up, tell them your problem. It must not be health, but this video is focusing on health, which means educational issues. It means feeding, house accommodation. If you have any problem, they can help you raise money for that problem. So this is the reason why you need to visit justgiving.com. Justgiving.com is a website that has been tested with high traffic from the United Kingdom, from the United States, from Canada, from Germany, and other top European and American countries. And they have been helping. They've paid out millions of dollars for, when I check, I did a proper research about this justgiving.com, and I think what I saw is very good, because so many people have been giving positive testimony about Just Giving. Just Giving have really helped a lot of people. This is the reason why you need to visit justgiving.com. If you have a health issue, you need financial assistance, you need money for your treatment, or you want to travel for your treatment, they will help you fund that money that you need. They will help you achieve that goal you have been looking for. And this is the major reason why you need to visit Just Give. But please remember to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Now we'll be releasing different videos and different companies that have been helping people in different sectors. So that's the reason why you need to subscribe, turn on notification, so that you will not miss our next video. Now please, if you know any other website or any other company that are assisting people for health, please kindly drop that in the comment section below. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section below, and definitely I will do all my best to reply all your questions and guide you through. Once again, thank you for stopping by.